The enemy's losses in this direction amounted to 45 Ukraine. The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation. In Kupiansk direction, the Zapad group of forces has hit the units of the Armed Forces of Ukraine, AFU, close to Masyutovka, Vyuknaya, Peshotravnevoye, Kharkov region and Novoslovskoye, Lugansk People's Republic. In addition, 5 sabotage and reconnaissance groups were neutralized near Stelmakyuka, Lugansk People's Republic, Sinkovka, Liman Pervy, and Berestovoye, Kharkov region. The enemy's losses in this direction amounted to 45 Ukrainian troops, 2 armored fighting vehicles, and 4 motor vehicles. In total, 400 airplanes and 220 helicopters, 3,385 unmanned aerial vehicles, 411 air defense missile systems, 8,275 tanks and other armored fighting vehicles, 1,055 combat vehicles equipped with MLRS, 4,326 field artillery cannons and mortars, as well as 8,879 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation.
Їх сотні, тому насичуючи нашу систему протиповітряної оборони такими групами, ми піднімаємо їх ефективність. От у такий спосіб ми досягаємо.
Terima kasih sudah nonton, jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya!